My name is Chef Shilpa, head of the bakery department at DY Patil, Deep to the University, School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies in Navi Mumbai. Today we will make a chocolate avocado mousse. The ingredients for chocolate avocado mousse are 3 egg yolks, 60 gram castor sugar, 100 gram fresh cream, 200 gram whipped cream, 100 gram melted chocolate, 150 gram avocado puree, gelatin 8 gram, milk 30 gram and some cherry and chocolate garnish for garnish. Chocolate avocado mousse. First we soak a gelatin in a water. And keep it aside. For chocolate avocado mousse, take one bowl. Add egg yolk. Keep the flame minimum. Then add sugar. Then add little milk. Then remove from the flame. Switch off the flame and then add cream. Now your custard is ready. Now add whipped cream. Now we divided this custard into 2 bowls. Keep it aside and then melt the gelatin on double boil. Now this gelatin is soaked. We melt on a double boiler. Now our gelatin is melt. Add half gelatin in a first bowl and add remaining gelatin in second bowl. Add avocado puree. Mix the avocado puree into the custard. Now add chocolate, melted chocolate in another bowl. Mix this melted chocolate properly. Now we fill this chocolate mousse and pour this in this glass. Pour this avocado mousse in another piping bag. Now our chocolate avocado mousse is ready. We keep it into the refrigerator for set. See, our chocolate avocado mousse is totally set. Now we garnish with fresh cream. Cherry and chocolate. Our chocolate avocado mousse is ready to taste.